Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another loan on BitConnect. Um, Basically, I've noticed that the volatility of Bitcoin is continuing to rise, especially leading up to this August 1st. The more and more volatility I think we're going to be seeing on a regular basis, and that means that BitConnect is going to be extremely, it's going to be a very very good thing to be a part of because BitConnect earns off of the volatility of Bitcoin, and as we get closer and closer to this August 1st date, I've noticed that the volatility has been having these huge swings. Um, so I deposited 1.04 Bitcoin of my own Bitcoin, and I'm going to be exchanging that for BitConnect tokens, and then I'm going to be doing a loan. Um, I also have 14 tokens here, which is worth about 700 some dollars. So I'm going to go ahead and get this loan going here. So we go down and we want to find the selling orders, and the price is 0.0228. So let's take a look here. So we're going to buy this order here. So we'll buy that 228. Confirm. And we'll have to do a couple purchases here. So there we go, we got that one done. And we'll buy these other ones up too. Basically what I'm doing is I'm using their exchange. If you're new to BitConnect, they have their own exchange and their own cryptocurrency. They are where are they at here? Number 11, almost in the top 10 of cryptocurrencies right now. $370 million market cap, 53.97 is the current price. And on their platform here, we earn off of basically the volatility of Bitcoin by doing a loan where you lend out to their trading bot that they have, which earns money based on the fluctuation of the price of Bitcoin. So basically, I deposited my Bitcoin to simply, you have a deposit and withdrawal for Bitcoin. So I just deposited one Bitcoin, um, and now I'm going to do a loan here. So right now I'm just getting my tokens from the exchange. So we'll go ahead and click this one and click all. So we'll get 29 tokens for that. And we'll go ahead and confirm. And that should give us all of our tokens that we need for our loan. We're going to be doing about a $3,000 some loan. It's going to be one of the biggest loans I've done so far. So we have 60 BitConnect tokens here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the dashboard here, and we are going to go to Lend BitConnect. So we'll click on that here, and we want to do, let's see here, 3,100 would be 57 tokens. So 3,200 would be 58 tokens. 59.88, 60.07, 70, 60.25. So we'll do $3,260 loan. Oops, that's 32,000, isn't it? 3,000. Yeah, let's see, 3,260. There we go. So basically, we'll get 0.1% bonus interest daily, and we'll get our capital will be returned to me in 239 days. So basically, I'll be earning interest that they get paid out every day, and it's going to be paid out into my lending wallet, which I can cash out or reinvest. So we'll go ahead and agree and confirm. And see, we're lending $3,260 to BitConnect, so we'll confirm. Successfully lent $3,260. Like I said, that's my biggest loan so far, so I'm pretty excited about that. The reason why I decided to do this is because I've been earning great on here. I've been on this platform earning for about 3 months. I started in April, around the April 10th or 11th, I think. And basically, I've been earning daily interest payments for over 3 months now. Um, I have $7,380 in loans, which has paid me in interest $1,402. So we'll go ahead and refresh the dashboard here, and it should update my current loans now to over 10,000. So we go ahead and go down here. Now we're up to $10,640 in loans on BitConnect. Like I said, I've earned $1,402 in interest so far. Um, so the interest rates have been going very good. If I show you the interest rates that you can kind of estimation on what you can kind of expect to earn on here if you're newer. Basically, it shows you the interest rates for the past 5 days. So as you can see here, not every day is going to be super high. It's based on the Bitcoin volatility. So when Bitcoin has a big volatility like today, 1.77%, that's because Bitcoin changed almost 10% in a day. So you can get a huge payout. But on average, I mean, if you look at these last 5 days here, you got 1.3, 0.77, 0.86, which is paid daily, right? So over the last 30 days, it's been a 0.81% interest rate. And if you look at the last 6 months here, it's been 0.82. And this is a daily payout. So if you have let's say you do $1,010 loan, um, based off of the previous 6 months interest, if the interest rates were to continue the same, which I think it's going to go higher, we'll go ahead and calculate that. Basically, for a $1,010 loan, you do get the 0.1% bonus. You'll earn $278 in interest roughly, approximately. So that's kind of been the average for the last 6 months. But as you can see here, the all-time we can look at, these are the all-time interest rates. And you can see they've been paying since January, February, March of 2016. So this program has been around for quite some time now. Um, it's been around for over a year now. So it's a pretty cool concept though. I'm really enjoying, earning my payouts on here. Over the last 3 months of collecting my payments, I've definitely grown a lot of trust with this platform, and it's been treating me very well so far. So that's why I'm doing these large, investments. Um, so I'm up to $10,640, and that's pretty much it for BitConnect. They do have a referral program as well, so I will have a link in the comments in the description if you want to sign up. Um, you can sign up using my link, and the minimum loan, like I said, you can do is $100, but you don't get the bonus 0.1%, and the capital release is a little bit longer for anything under 1,000. So I've stopped doing. I started out with a $100 loan and I continued to reinvest. But basically, the reason why this program is so great is because you can use compounding interest, right? Because every day you get your daily payout, and you can reinvest that and get paid off of that reinvestment every single day, and which increases how much you earn per day. Which will give you a bigger payment. And then I actually have a spreadsheet here by Mr. C. Anderson, made this from YouTube. So thanks to him, I can show you guys that if we go up here, if you're starting with $1,000 loan, we put the average interest rate of 0.08. The minimum you can do for reinvestment is $10. So basically, he made this chart here where if you're starting with 1,010, it's calculating the 0.1% bonus that you would get. This is a great spreadsheet here. Basically, it shows you that per day you're going to earn about $9 per day on average off the $1,000 10. So after your first day, on day number 2, you can do a $10 reinvest, which you'll have. This is your lending wallet balance. So your first day you'll earn about $9 on average, and then your second day you have over $10, so you can reinvest that, and then you'd earn another $10, and then you'd be at $18. But you can only loan in increments of 10. So you do a $10 loan, leave that $8, and then do another $10 loan. And basically, if you keep compounding your interest and reinvesting, you can turn $100 if you go all the way down. If you do this for a whole year, basically you'll get to the point here where after 215 days of reinvesting, you'll be at roughly approximately $6,000 in loans, which at that point, it doesn't make sense really to do anything less than $1,000 loan anymore at that point because of the 0.1% bonus that you can earn. So at the $6,000 range and higher, it makes sense to save your payments until you have enough to do a $1,000 loan. So you can see that there's no reinvestments until you get to that $1,000 loan. And then as you can see here, once you start doing the $1,000 loans, with the compounding power of compounding, the $1,000 loans that you can do, they get closer and closer and closer as you go down. So once you're at the 1 year mark, you're at about $19,000 in loans. If you'd been compounding the whole time and earning on average zero point 0.8 interest per day, um, you'd be at about 19,000 in loans, which is 365 days, which you can do a $1,000 loan pretty much every, let's see, 2, 3, 4, about every 5 days after your first year, you can do a $1,000 loan every 5 days. And if you go ahead and do that for 1 more year, you can see here that very quickly, you once you start doing these $1,000 loans every 5 days, you'll be up to almost 30 grand. And this is within less than 2 years, starting with $1,000 investment. Um, Basically, you get up to day 404, you're at 27,000. Now you hit the point again where it doesn't make sense to do $1,000 loans anymore. Now you want to just do $5,000 plus loans because then you get the 0.2% daily. Um, So if we go back here, now you're doing the $5,000 loans. And if you continue to do that, once again, these $5,000 loans start getting closer and closer together to the point where, you're up to $54,000 in loans at, around day 480, less than 2 years. You have $49,000 in loans, and you can start cashing out at any point, or if you really want to keep going with it, it's up to you. And then once you get to this point, then it only makes sense to do $10,000 plus loans. Once you hit 55,000, or once you hit 50,000 basically, and then you can do a $10,000 loan, and the amount of time it takes you to do $10,000 loan starts getting closer and closer. And by 2 years, if we keep doing this, I mean, you pretty much get to the point where you can do a $10,000 loan. You're actually doing like 11 and $12,000 loans pretty much every 3 days. As you can see here, within 2 years, starting with a $1,000 loan, you'll be at $603,000. You'll be earning on average, $12,000 a day. So as you can see here, the power compounding builds up very quickly. Currently, like I said, I'm currently at 10,640. Um, so, I can do pretty much a $1,000 loan every 10 days now, and it's going to get closer and closer. And there's quite a few people who started the 100K challenge to get up to 100K in loans, which I haven't quite accepted that challenge yet, but I am building up my active investment very quickly, and I am definitely taking a part of the compounding interest. As you can see here, you can earn quite a bit of money. So if you want to look at this spreadsheet here, you can check out C. Anderson on YouTube. Um, but yeah, it's pretty awesome program here. Like I said, it's been around for over a year. It's one of the top cryptocurrencies right now. It's one of the fastest growing altcoins. It was under $1 in the beginning of 2017. Now it's almost $54 per coin. Um, and the reason why it's growing so much is because a lot of people are locking up those tokens with loans. And the value of the tokens have been going up a lot. A lot of people are compounding their interest and are earning great profits. So if you want to get started on BitConnect, like I said, I'll have a link in the description in the comments if you want to sign up. To get in on this, you need to have Bitcoin. So if you don't have any Bitcoin, a place where you can sign up and get some Bitcoin is Coinbase. That's one of the places that I recommend for getting Bitcoin. You do have to register on there and give them some information because it is a real bank. Um, so yeah, you can buy your Bitcoins on Coinbase or any other exchanges. Another good one is Gemini, and you can get your Bitcoins, or if you already have Bitcoin, you can get started pretty quickly here just by depositing, using the exchange to get your tokens, and lending them out. Start earning your interest and start compounding it, and you can really start cashing out at any point. Um, but that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks anyone who's been joining my team on here. I think I'm up to over 200 members on here now currently. Um, 200 registered members that I have on my team so far. Um, Not all of them are doing loans now, but I think some people just signed up just to check out the site. But if some of those people they signed up 4 months ago when I did, And had they actually, done a loan 4 months ago when I did, they would already pretty much, um, they would already pretty much be breaking even or in the profit, or if they were compounding, they would already have lots of more money by now, had they not waited, the last 3 months. But that's just my advice, like I said, and don't invest anything you can't afford to lose, obviously. Um, that's obviously the number one rule with investing. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.